Samsung might finally have a real problem because Oppo is about to launch a foldable phone with a near-invisible crease, AI stylus support, a massive 6,000 milliamp hour battery, and 80-watt charging. And on paper, it beats the Galaxy Z Fold in almost every major area. Hey guys, Lucifer here. The phone is the Oppo Find N6, and the global launch is set for March 17. This is the successor to the Find N5 from last year, but the upgrades Oppo is teasing suggest this isn't just another yearly refresh. It looks like a direct attempt to challenge Samsung's dominance in the foldable market. And the biggest headline is the display. Oppo says the Find N6 introduces something called Zero Feel Crease technology. If you've ever used a foldable, you know the crease in the middle of the screen is still the biggest drawback. You can see it, you can feel it, and once you notice it, it's hard to ignore. Oppo has been trying to reduce that problem since the first Find N in 2021 with its water drop hinge design. But now the company claims the new hinge system makes the fold line almost invisible during normal use. The teaser image they released even shows the display opening completely flat with no visible wrinkle in the middle. If that actually holds up in real life, that alone could make the Find N6 one of the most refined foldables we've seen. But the display isn't the only place Oppo is pushing ahead. The second big feature is the AI stylus, and this is where things get interesting. For years, Samsung had a big advantage with the S Pen on the Galaxy Z Fold series. But rumors suggest Samsung might drop stylus support on the Galaxy Z Fold 7 to make the device thinner. And right when Samsung might be stepping away from stylus support, Oppo is adding one. The company confirmed the Find N6 will support an AI-powered pen with industry-first capabilities. That likely means deeper integration with on-device AI features, things like smarter note-taking, quick edits, or AI-assisted drawing and productivity. The stylus will be sold separately and it charges through a compatible case, but it still gives Oppo something Samsung might not offer this year. Now the hardware is where things start to look even more aggressive. The Find N6 is rumored to feature an 8.12-inch foldable display, which is slightly larger than Samsung's current foldable screens. Oppo is also focusing heavily on making the device feel more like a normal flagship phone when you hold it. Thinner, lighter, and easier to use when folded. But the camera system might surprise a lot of people. On the back, the phone is expected to use a 200-megapixel Hasselblad-tuned camera system inside a large circular camera module. Foldable phones usually compromise on cameras because of the limited internal space, but if Oppo actually ships a 200-megapixel sensor with Hasselblad tuning, that could give this phone a serious advantage in photography. And then there's the battery. Leaks suggest the Find N6 could pack a 6,000 milliamp-hour battery with 80-watt fast charging. That's huge for a foldable. Samsung's foldables have stayed around 4,400 milliamp-hour with 25-watt charging. So if Oppo delivers those numbers, it could mean significantly longer battery life and much faster charging times. The phone will reportedly launch in stellar titanium and blossom orange color options, and the orange model includes a titanium alloy hinge casing with gold trim, which gives it a much more premium look compared to the typical black or silver designs we usually see. So when you look at everything together, the near-invisible crease, AI stylus support, a bigger battery, faster charging, and a 200-megapixel camera, Oppo is clearly trying to build a foldable that pushes ahead of Samsung instead of just catching up. And the full reveal happens on March 17th. In the next video, I'm going to break down one leaked feature of the Find N6 that could completely change how foldable displays work. And it's something most people completely missed in the teaser. This is Guys Tech, and I will see you in the next one.